To fix your WhatsApp contacts not showing, it's pretty simple. First, we're going to locate our settings gear and tap on it. And then on this interface, make sure to scroll down until you locate privacy and tap on it. And then with this selected, you have to proceed to permission manager, which is here. Make sure to select on it, then allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. And then here we're going to scroll down until we locate contacts. Tap on it. So this will pull out the list of all the apps that have access to our contacts. In this case, we're going to scroll down and locate where WhatsApp is. If WhatsApp is not among the list of those allowed, make sure to locate it down there and ensure that it is allowed to this. In my case, it's already having access to my contacts. So in your case, if it's not like that, you have to tap on it and then make sure you toggle on allow. Then after that, you have to move out of this interface, then open your WhatsApp. And on your WhatsApp interface, continue to tap on this plus icon, which will load out to your contacts. Then on the top right corner where you see this three dots, make sure to select on it and then tap on refresh. So this will refresh your contact after it's allowed. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.